Ever wondered whether you have what it takes to become an entrepreneur? Do you know what skills you need to develop to become the best in your industry? Taking time to discover and develop your strengths is a crucial decision point in every entrepreneur's journey. I'm Matt Harris, and on this channel we explore high-performance entrepreneurship, building a small business and lifestyle optimization. I've listened to hundreds of podcast episodes with some of the most successful entrepreneurs. Some of the similarities they share in common include ruthlessness when it comes to opportunity management and time management, optimizing their lifestyle and completing their most challenging work at a time of the day that suits them best, and a resilience and drive for success. The differences between the most successful entrepreneurs are the skills they use and the strengths they cultivate in order to achieve that success. However, they've all identified and improved their strengths over time to compensate for what they lacked in other skills, talents, and characteristics. Some of the deciding factors determining how successful you'll be as an entrepreneur come down to quickly and effectively identifying your strengths, building them into valuable assets for your business, and focusing relentlessly on only doing activities and getting into business ideas where you can use your strengths. In 2014, Gallup interviewed 1,000 entrepreneurs and found two very interesting findings. There are 10 qualities of high successful entrepreneurs. These include business focus, confidence, being a creative thinker, determination, being a risk taker, and the ability to delegate. All 10 characteristics and an explanation behind them are detailed in a book called Entrepreneurial Strength Finder, and I've left a link to the book in the description below. The second finding was that success was often most achieved by entrepreneurs focusing and utilizing their core strengths. Sometimes it's inevitable that you need to do things that you're not good at. However, by limiting your exposure to these things, you can focus on using your strength to drive business growth. So, what are you good at? If you're unsure, I've created a skill assessment guide to help you make a clear distinction between your soft and hard skills, which when combined make up your entrepreneurial strength. Soft skills are the personal attributes that enable you to communicate effectively with other people, whereas your hard skills are specific and teachable abilities that can be measured. Now, if you're getting value from this video, please make sure that you hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can work its magic and suggest the video to other people who'd find it useful. Thank you very much. There are 7 steps included in the skill assessments guide, and they cover determining your soft skills. That means identifying which soft skills are your strongest asset, understanding how you interact with other people, and what traits you should look for in a business partner. This is determined by reviewing your work and life experiences and identifying what has come most naturally to you and the soft skills that you use the most. Then there's a hypothetical example where you have to identify what role you would take on a 4-man team. These 3 steps then help you determine your strongest soft skills. By reviewing the first 3 steps, you can determine which soft skills recur the most. These are the ones that represent you. Then you make a list of your hard skills. Hard skills can be learned over time, but it's understanding and using your hard skills which will help maximize your success as an entrepreneur. Combining your hard skills with what you love to do is also a crucial step. Identifying what you would spend your time doing if you didn't have to work every day, and your level of experience at doing those things gives you a good indication as to where your passion lies. Lastly, understanding what your hard skills are and seeing whether you're engaging them in the things that you love to do helps you narrow down your core strengths as an entrepreneur. Once you've taken the skills assessment and identified your soft and hard skills, what will you do with that knowledge? If you have a day job, are you happy to stay content with the status quo instead of starting a side hustle or launching your own business based on your strengths and interests? You might need to pick up some more skills, but starting a side hustle or launching your own small business where you're using your strengths and interests provides you with the motivation to push forward. On the other hand, if you're an early stage or established entrepreneur, you might have discovered some strengths that you want to develop. Working with a coach or a mentor who can give you advice, share their own experience, and be your support system through your entrepreneurial journey can help drive your business success. For a deeper dive on some of the hard and soft skills that drive your success as a high-performance entrepreneur, check out this video right here where I break down Rio Ferdinand's 5 steps to high performance. The video is packed full of simple habits, tools, and strategies that you can implement in your day-to-day life to enjoy success and achieve happiness. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next video.